mesquite.
Oh.
Candied barbecued rib. It's absolutely awesome. And it's what you do if you butcher your own cow and all the weird chunks that you have that you would never see at a butcher shop, or it just wouldn't be there because they don't put them out for sale because they're weird. But you can make this out of it, and that's awesome. Oh, that's so good.
Mm-hmm.
Is it Slurpee delicious?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Cook in that as it goes by. And they call it rub. Oh, okay, why do you rub it? So it doesn't fall off on the table. That's about the only reason. And then I use a nice table because the salt that's there on the table, I can get it rubbed into the meat. Because the stainless steel table, no bacteria on it. Very clean. See, I have become been 3 hours, okay? They're ready for next. Okay? See, most of... There.
There it is.
Don't want to miss any. And put in 2 layers of aluminum so that we capture all of the that otherwise would drip off. And then it's in one sealed baggie, and then after it's got another 2 or 3 hours in there, and we'll drain it out the corner. One bucket to catch the magnificent odd juice, and to poke a hole in the tin foil at a precise location in the corner, and then Well, when it shuts off, I had it set for 2 hours, and when it shuts off, it stays at 200 degrees. And not 200, it stays at 120. Hopefully, it didn't get too done. Did it get too done? Oh man, Ryan tastes like it. Yeah. Try another one.
Okay.
Is that durable? Candied barbecued rib?
It is. Candied barbecue.
Oval.
I was just saying. Okay, I did. There's one little piece of meat, but I